what are the benefits, and how long one should invest in mutual funds, and then at what time they should invest in mutual funds. Things like this will give you a complete idea whether you should choose a mutual fund to invest. If so, what kind of mutual fund, when, and how. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Murthy. I have been working with financial services for more than 30 years. I welcome you to Invest Expert India, where you will get the necessary information and advice to take care of your long-term investment needs. In this video, we'll be talking about mutual funds. A mutual fund is an investment instrument where you'll be able to invest indirectly into the stock markets and bonds to maximize the profits. And the risk associated with the stock markets is minimized if you are investing through mutual funds. How do they manage the mutual funds? They will be investing in various bonds as well as stocks. However, since the amount that is invested through mutual funds is going to be very huge, which is collected from individual investors in mutual funds, it will be invested in different stocks, in many stocks across the sectors and across various companies. It is convenient for any individual to invest in a mutual fund in small amounts. Those small amounts which are collected by the asset management company will be invested across various sectors and various stocks. The investments in mutual funds are basically divided into three groups. One is the low risk group, the second one is medium risk group, and the third one is high risk group. So the amount or the percentage that is invested in these funds differ from the point of view of the percentage that is invested in stock markets. If it is invested below 30-35%, it is called low risk, and if it is between 35 and 70%, it is called medium risk, and 70 to 95% is called high risk investments. There are certain advantages of investing in mutual funds. Let us look at the top 5 advantages. Number 1 is diversification. If you have to invest across stocks and in different sectors, you need to have a huge fund available with you. However, if you are investing through mutual funds, you will be able to get the advantage of investing in various stocks and across the sectors. Second advantage is the convenience of shifting funds. This means you will be able to shift your investments from a high risk profile investment to a medium risk or lower risk, and vice versa, depending on your requirement from time to time. The third advantage is professional management of funds. The people who are managing your funds are qualified, who have studied the market trends, and who will be able to invest according to the ups and downs of the market and can get you better return and minimize the risk also. The fourth one is no lock-in period. Unlike various instruments where we see that there is a lock-in period of 3 years, 5 years, some of the fixed deposits for 1 year, varying from 1 year to a few years. Unlike such investments, mutual funds have no lock-in period. You'll be able to enter at any time and you'll be able to exit also at any time. The fifth advantage is no need to time the markets. You must have seen many people investing directly in stock markets, expecting whether either the market will go up or down, and they tend to lose a lot of money. In mutual funds, you don't have to time the market because the professionals have an understanding as to how the market movements are going to be over a period of time, and they will take decisions to invest and get maximum returns for you. Let us look at a couple of disadvantages also. The first one is fund management charges. Depending on the risk profile, the fund management charges keep differing. So it is always necessary for you to understand what are the fund management charges for what kind of mutual fund that you are choosing. If the fund management charges are too high, you will have to take an informed decision as to whether you want to invest in such a fund or not. The next one is diversification. As we said, diversification is an advantage, but there are too many funds which are available in the market. So it will be very difficult for an individual to understand the structure of each and every fund that is available and choose a particular fund which can give him good returns depending on the requirement that an individual has got. So it is always advantageous to invest in mutual funds through a person who can give you an advice on what kind of fund to choose depending on the requirement that you have. We are providing financial advice to take care of your long-term goals. You can book a free call with me by clicking the link given in the description below. For more information, you can visit our website akshayrevenues.com. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to this channel and watch more and more videos which can help you to take decisions about your financial goals. See you in the next video.